Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying what you have. Check 7-zip version and whether Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, because mismatches cause failures. Once done, back up the archive and any files you can't replace. You'll need a safety net. Now, download a fresh 7-zip installer from a trusted source and keep the exact error text visible. That message guides the fix. If installation fails, capture screenshots or copy the message so you can target the root cause precisely. You uninstall the old 7-zip cleanly using Control Panel or Settings because remnants can block a clean install. Then run the new installer as administrator. If Windows is old, enable compatibility mode before launching. Once installed, test extracting with the command line, 7zxarchive. zipoc \folder, this bypasses GUI quirks and shows precise errors. If extraction stalls, try the repair switch or extract single files. These narrow down corrupted archive sections or permission problems. You finish by validating archives. Run 7ztarchive. Zip to test integrity and extract salvageable files to a new folder. Make sure disk health and file system permissions are okay and temporarily disable antivirus to rule out interference. If problems persist, reinstall relevant Microsoft redistributables or repair Windows components that 7-zip depends on. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, try an alternative extractor to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.